Pentecost program clear to te chibevek ole wala shwai tloin kania Mizoram UPC rongbol na chanchin thar clear ni longai thlang o shwai to te rongbol na longai thlama sa ila Executive Chairman Upalal Zirliana chu April ninga zirtop ni khan bil ko clear bial inkhom pui man pui turin azin chuaka bil ko clear bial pastor quarters le Dorveng Sunday School Hall thlipui le real ina den chiate hmuna kalina enfia bogdona relief fund changin chanpui na sum general headquarters ayunya hlandona ni General Superintendent Reverend Pilarin Omachuan, April Ninga Zirtop ni Zana Changkhan, Zonam ko shana Pathian Choi Moina Hunman Puin Inkom Kai Shwai Na Thoka, Pathian ni Zantleng Hian Zonam ko shana a Inkomang. General Secretary Reverend Pilal Dingliana chu, April Ninga Zirtop ni Khan Khozol Veng Puile Khozol Veng Tharbiala Quarrel Chiat Tokte, Amuna Kalatlo Turina Zinchuaka, General Headquarters Ayo in Relief Fanahlan. General Secretary Hian Tun Pathian ni Manga Ruan Tlang Bial in Khompui Zo Khotar Muna Nei chu Aman Pui Bokanga Thochan ni Akho Hai Biala Twal Bungle Riang Tlai Kau Shampiak in Quarrelen Ti Chiate Amuna Kalina Enfia Bogdona General Headquarters Ayo in Chenpui Na Hlandona ni General Treasurer Reverend Zoram Tharachuan Kamhun Bial in Khompui Lungphun Kau Shampiak in Nei chu ni Zana Changkhana Manpuya in Khompuya Hian Speaker ni in April ni Sari Pathian ni Zantleng Hian Thushil Rongbol na Anayang General Treasurer hi Zai Thiamlal Mudikele, Caution Driver Arlel Ompui Tenan Choi Omani. Reverend Lerwat Fela Secretary General Missions Department Chuan, Lunglai South Bial Missions Department in Khompui Ramthar Caution Biakina, April Ninga Changani Sari Chunga Nei Turchu, Zirtop Zana Changkhan Manpuya, in Khompuya Hian Speaker ani. Area Secretary Reverend Celian Sanga Chuan, Lunglai South Bial Missions Department in Khompui, April Nisari Pathian ni Manga Lunglai Ramthar Caution Biakina Nei Turchu Ahman Pui Bok. Mizoram UPC Puipa Committee April ni Atru Khom Chuan, March ni Sumthum Pakhat, April ni Khatle ni Borvela, Thlipui le Real Enti Chiat Biakin, Sunday School Hall, Quarters le Caution Media Chena in, Munshang Shanga Media chu Relief Fund Achanga Champuina Sumpe Karela, Puipa ti Ahmuna Akal ni se Antia. April ni thumni lai ni khan ke fang bial twal bung caution te tloin General Treasurer lakala April ninga zirtop ni khan kho hai bial lungtan le riang tlai caution te tloin General Secretary akal boka bil kho thlir biala Executive Chairman Upala Zirliana chu asin chuak bokani Puipa Committee chuan crusade fana changa tirkau aroi lai mi pahni tirkau sang than moi le tirkau pangmin lon singson te chu roi anni na hmunba ka mun zau zok muitel tir anni awangin anlo man punan rel boka hengba ka hian rongbol na zau zok ko thainan tirkau le revival team te tir chona torte an soi hawani General Treasurer chuan 12 bung caution chung ko som pathum te hena relief fund ahlan April ni thumni lai ni khan Mizoram UPC General Treasurer Reverend Zoram Thara chuan April ni Thochan ni Jingdar ni Borvela 12 bung khwa caution member te chena in le law Real Enti Chiat in som pani te chu amuna kalin chanpui na sumahlan General Treasurer hi kaifang bial tu pastor Jezo Thansang ale bial shwai tu tenan choi oma 12 bung caution committee ten lo mwagin zanri an lo buat sei sakani Quarrel chiat na awanga in le law chan chung ko som pani te hi Reverend Zoram Thara chuan caution in khoma champui na sum General Headquarters ayo in Cheng Sanga Cheu Relief Fund Changina Hlanani. Hemi Rual Hian March Ninga a Kangmai Awanga Engma Chu Manlawa Thamle Sothing Munchan Vek Chung ko khatte hna Relief Fund Changin Cheng Sanga General Treasurer Reverend Zoram Thara chuan ahlan bokani. General Sunday School Department Executive Board chu April Ninga Zirtop ni khan Committee Room General Headquarters Office an chukhoma kumsang ni somni pali atana General Board nei hunson an rel. Meeting hi board chairman Upalal Nuntluanga changte na kaishwaya Manipura buaina awanga harsana tokmek te chanpuina pekdan tur chungchangte Orphanage Sunday kan manmek December choli voi khatna ason rotna te kumsang ni somni paruk puitling Sunday School zirbu chungchangte chu anthurel langsar zwalti anni a Sunday School Hall sak champuina caution enge mozat hena pekan rem tibok hengba ka hian General Sunday School Department malakna shang clear hawani a tundin huna General Sunday School malakna in Labu kopi sang ni chutmek ni in minglam na kom khong chi kum tam tak dai tur kopi sang ni chutmek ani boka no pang Sunday School zirbu kum khatna kopi sang khat zanga cheu chutmek ani boka ni General Sunday School Department Executive Board hi Mizoram UPC Puipa General Superintendent Reverend Pilarin Omale General Treasurer Reverend Zoram Tharaten an hawani Mizoram UPC Missions Department chuan March ni somthum pakhat pathiani zangkhan Zema Bok Caution Biakina missionary tir chho inkoma bua saya Upalal Thamwana namte Chairman General Missions Department chuan kaishwaya missionary tir chwa inko ma hian Peilapul Kachar district asama rongbol tu tur missionary Gracie junior DL nun hlima khatla le voluntary missionary ludi zaurin twangi bil khotlir North Bengal Pentecost Mission School thok tur ta thla an ni a missionary in Melsia tirna Reverend Lalwat Fela Secretary General Missions Department chuan in Reverend Pilarin Oma General Superintendent in tir chwana huna mangthunga tir chwaten hena changin thu soinge thak ani bok missionary tir chwa inkomi Mizoram UPC General Treasurer Reverend Zoram Thara General Huap Department Board Shwai Tule Aizol Khachunga Pastor Enga Muzatin Telpuyani Tuichangal District Shwai Tu te chuan April ni thum ni lai ni khan ko haibial lungtan le riang tlai biakin pathianikal ta athlina ti chate chu amuna kalinan tlua District Relief Fund achangin champuina suman hlan Tuichangal District Shwai Tu te hi lungtana kalmasa in Caution Committee tenan laudong songa bial do Pastor Kesiram nun moya chuan hovin District Shwai Tu te nen hian income hauna te annayani lungtan biakin hi tundin lenghal tuma malak mekania biakin tlu chata kum chaka hian mun leizol ni in helai muna hian biakin thar tundin mekania abantun kim to ani riangtlai pan na kong achatlo awangin District Shwai Tu te hian riangtlai biakin champuina sum hi bial do Pastor kota an hlan bokani District Shwai Tu fe chuak te hian ko hai Caution Shwai Tu tele bial chungu patinen kumsang ni somni pali October tha a Tuichangal District engkhong puinei na muntur ko hai community hall a munakalinon en haungala rom manete siamin income haunate annayani bial chung rongbol na longai thachun zomila North Malchang bial engkhong pui tlwang taka manzo ani ingkhong pu hi March ni sompanga changani sompasari chungkhan North Malchang Caution biakina hlotling taka nei ni in tirkau Michael Laram chana chu speaker ania ani hi tirkau Isaac Mal somtluang le zai thiam unaw nu Laram ngai te chuan inkhong pui chung zong hian an choi o mani North Malchang bial inkhong puya hian inrin ni aro rel inkhom nei ni a kumsang ni somni panga bial inkhong pui chu North Malchang huna bok nga ani kumin chunga sailulak muna revival team roi tura malakte bial Caution pui minga missionary support nei te kumin chunga financial cum leadership training nei tele kumsang ni somni pali budget te chu North Malchang bial inkhong pui ro rel langsar zwal te anni North Malchang bial inkhong pui hian revival ne satak thlengin thule la apalai tel hlok thlak an ti hle a March ni som pasari pathiani zan khana chiak ani Beira bibial meidum Cautiona Good Friday walk vet khan bial tu Reverend R chungkhuma chuan lalpa zanria sacrament le kasil rongbol na abuat saya he huna hian mithar pani Cautiona alom lutani March somthum pakhat pathiani khan Beira bibial meidum Cautiona baptisma rongbol na buat se ania bial tu Reverend R chungkhuman mi pasari lalpa iswaming baptisma achantirani baptisma changzinga mi pathum te hi Caution dang ni in pathiani zan hian anzinga pakhat chu Mizoram UPC a lumlu ani na thial bial inkhong pui voi somni pariatna chan mari Caution biakina nei chu March ni somni pani changa ni somni pali pathiani mangkhan tlong taka nei zo ania Southern Zone Area Secretary Reverend Cilian Sanga chuan man puin ani bak a hian bial chunga ruat bigten inkhong pui chung hian thoshil rongbol na an nei ni March ni somni pathum inrini khan rural inkhom chan mari Caution biakina an neya district inkhom puya chhop chwa tur agenda pali baka bial malak na tur agenda pani an pasa kumsang ni somni pali budget an rohman bok kumsang ni somni panga bial inkhong pui chu electric Caution an khat bokani na thial bial inkhong pui hian pathiani chomma missions appeal nei ania pathiani zan thleng khan revival nin inkhong pui hlim taka manani sia ha bial Sunday School Department inkhong pui voi som pangana amotla Caution biak ina March somni pani changani somni pali pathiani mangkhan tlwang taka nei ania inkhong pui hian no pang Sunday School ten inti siak na items sang mangin an neya special items munom tak clear hawani bok Siha bial Sunday School Department inkhom puya inti siak na pia lama rod big ten hina changin pathian thu chale Sunday School pui mo na lam hoi ngai thak china ni a no pang lama changin sermon toi ngai thak ani bok Siha bial Sunday School Department inkhom puya hian new Siha Sunday School Department de chu pakhat na an ni a inkhom puyan nei chunga no pang Sunday School Department discipline chabera new Siha is chu Caution no pang Sunday School thanan ni Siha bial Sunday School Department rural na chuan bial Sunday School inkhom pui thleng tu pui na ti sanan rela kumsang ni somni pali Sunday School kumchan ve exam bial malak na anei lete kumsang ni somni panga bial Sunday School inkhom pui achang hian no pang Sunday School ten jang khai jok le hlok thak joka inkhom pui man thainan inti siak na nei to lo ni se ti te kumsang ni somni pali kumtop Sunday School exam a full mark muchin te bial Sunday School minga choi moina certificate thlante kumsang ni somni palit chunga twal chung tin Sunday School Department ten Sunday School poi mona ti thu pui mga seminar nei te thia sha Sunday School hall sak mek bial Sunday School malak na a work kem a pui te chu sia ha bial Sunday School Department in khom pui ro rel lang sar zwal te an ni chon mun bial industry kaushana march somni pakwa YouTube ni singkhan kaushan in khoma tir kaulal du saka chuan mithar chung ko khat member pali te chu kaushan danga changi Mizoram UPC a alom lu ta ni March somni pakwa Good Friday ni vekhan kai fang bial choizau kaushana bial to pastor jezau thansanga chuan kaushan danga changin mithar chung ko khat member paria te chu Mizoram UPC a alom lut bok kai fang bial rule chom kaushana po pathiani zan in khoma member thar pakha chu bial to pastor jezau thansangan kaushana alom lut ani Zema bok bial tutorial kaushana loi turin March somni pakwa Good Friday khan chomma in khoma tir kaula shat moya member pakwa chungko khate chu Mizoram UPC a alom lut bok bongwa mamit biala tir kau Francis Laldong zela rongbona kal zela March somni pakwa Good Friday zan khan kaushan danga chang mithar pakha chu Mizoram UPC a lomlu ani heti hian komin chunga mamit biala mithar lomlu to zat hi mi somthum pakhatan tling to ani Bok pui bial chung kaushan shang de chuan Good Friday ursun takinan manga kaushan chen khata sarai bua saini in changroi ni na mangte pon omani bial to pastor Ellen Mingsang achang Good Friday walk veta bial chung kaushan te tlo in kasil rongbona le sacrament rongbona abua seya March somthum inri ni jana changkhan North Chaltlang veng thar kaushan rongbona nei chunzomin atuk March somthum pakhat pathian ni khan North Chaltlang veng thar kaushan a hian kasil le sacrament rongbona anaya Hemini vekyam baptisma khur hona ni a kaushan mi ni sami pasari te chulal pa iswami baptisma a chantira no sem pathum pathian ne na ahlan bokani bongkon kaushana march somthum inri ni khan una nulal ram moi pautu te chung kwa chuan ran talim pathian choi moina annaya pathian ni zan thleng khan revival nen hlim takin pathian biak hauna annaya reverend thanglian sanga ATI lecturer chu speaker ani Bongkon kaushana pathian choi moina inkhoma hian zai thiam rod big ten zai rongbol na an nei chin boka tharau ram hla te sakchin ni in thule thara ba kal khom ten hlok takin pathian biak hauna an nei ni pathian choi moina hunan man chu hian tirkau hlal enga kuta mi pahilal pa Iswa Krista min baptisma an chang boka ni North Khole kaushan te Good Friday walk ve thlimna kal zela unaw nu vanal lomi upa jeral kap thanga leite fanu chuan lumthu soi choi moina march ni somthum inrin ni khana neya bial to pastoral thaule chu speaker ni in bial chungi puiten he hun hi anjoi om chhle ani dar choi bial chung kaushan te chuan Good Friday le Easter Sunday hlim takin an manga Good Friday ni hian bial to pastor le bial chairman te chuan Rajder para a kaushan te tlo in he huna hian mithar pakhat chu kaushan danga changin Mizoram UPC lomlu ani a lalpa iswami baptisma achang ngalani Sabrung BLST Colonia po March somthum pakhat Easter Sunday khan Hindu chung khat member pathum de chutir kau Deva Sankar Tripura chon lalpa iswaminga baptisma chantirin kaushana alom lutani Kongpui bial khamrang kaushana March somthum pakhat pathiani zan khan kaushan inkhoma mithar pani kaushan danga changin upa chuan omatwal chung chairman chon Mizoram UPC alom lut khamrang a hen district revival team tir kaule shwai tluang te chuan rongan bol mek ani Konpui veng lai no pang Sunday School Department te chuan April ni ni thole ni khan Bethany Children's Home an tloa motor pahni mangin mi somli chuang he huna hian an fe chuak Konpui veng lai no pang Sunday School te le Bethany Children's Home a no pang le a thok tu te chuan hun ser mang masa im thilpek chi shang bu fai be khat artui case khat new chila ke zinga mimi case ni le poisa fai cheng sang khat Konpui veng lai no pang Sunday School te hian home tan hian an pe a hengba ka hian mi mal thil phal te hena changin r tel case kat fruity case ni thumno chanem tak cheng sang ni le sweet le thlengsil na sabun te Bethany Children's Home a hian pe kani a chuncho bo se turmi in phalten an thok khom bokani chonhulama Bethany no pangte le Konpui no pang Sunday School te chon inti hlimna an nei boka tlailam dar thum vela Konpui no pang Sunday School te hi an kholam panin an hole ani Bilka thirbial chunga twal chung kaushan tin ten hlim takle ursun takin Good Friday an manga twal chung kaushan tamzu ka Good Friday ni khan roi che ani bu changphai forest veng kaushana ni somthum pakhat Easter Sunday khan Easter revival team te rongbona kal zela baptisma khur hona ni a tirko hmangai tluang lalpa iswa mingin mi sompanga baptisma achantira naw piang pathum pathian hne na ahlan bok bu changphai Forest Veng kaushana hian Easter Sunday zan inkhoma bial to Reverend PC Lalwatan kaushandang achangin chung kokhat member palile kaushandang achang vekin mi pakhat anvain mithar panga te chu Mizoram UPC alom lut boka tharau thiang ni baptisma changthar mi enga muza ta nom bok bu changphai forest venga hian estuary revival team te chuan rongam bol mek ani bil ko thlir bial tu reverend pc vanalwa ta chuan april ni hni thole ni khan saipum ko shina nu patwa khatlel pa iswa mingin ain ko sweetir bokani Arunachal Field itanagar papuna la a April ninga nila ni khan mithar pani te chu Field Pastor Nelson Chonel pa iswami baptisma achantira kaushana alom lut ngalani Sakordai bial inkhom puivoi somni pakwana March ni somni pani changa ni somni pali pathiani mangkhan Sakordai kaushampia kena tlong taka manzo ani bial inkhom pui hiam palai somruk chuan riak lutin tirkolarin dikachu speaker atan manani a zirtop zana changa pathiani zan thleng khan revival inkhom nei ani March ni somni pathum inrini nilengin rawrel inkhom an neya kumsang ni somni pali bial inkhom pui chu mauchar hmuna an ngat Kaushan upa tol upa le department shoi tu te puala seminar nei tele financial campaign tol chung tina nei te chu Sakordai bial inkhom pui rawrel lang sarzual te an ni a inkhom puya hian kumsang ni somni pali budget ro manani bok Sakordai bial inkhom pui March ni somni pali pathiani zan khana chiakani Sakordai bial chunga kaushan te chuan Good Friday ursun takin an manga bial chunga kaushan pathuma sarwai bua sai ni in tol chung dang panga te chuan thingpui royam bua sai thungani Sarang bial chunga kaushan shanga Good Friday ursun tak manani a tol chung chen kata sarwai bua sai ni in thingpui roi ni na mangte pu an oma March ni somni parat ni ngani zana changkhan bial to pastor le bial chunga tir kaute bial chunga insem darinal pa janra sacrament le kasil rongbol na an bua sayani Easter Sunday zan khan Sairang bial tu Reverend PC Parlianan Sairang din thar kaushana mithar pani Mizoram UPC a alom lutani Sairang bial missions department malak na in April ni khata changni thumchung khan reng dil bial si chiang huna tir kau quarter sak work camp nei ania Sarang biala changi mi som thung chuangan thok chuak work camp hi Sarang bial tu Reverend PC Parlian District Superintendent le bial chairman upa F sang mona 10 an hawa April ni khatho chan ni si chiang khwa thlengin an thlentlai achang hian tir kau quarter sak bulchan ngalani a ni thum chung sak ni in tir kau quarter si adung fit somthum pathum le awang fit som pahni aliana sak ani a April ni thum ni lai ni chhnuwa zo fel ni in tir kau bungro te thiarlu ngalani a work kema thok chuak Sairang biala changa kalte hi April ni thum ni lai ni tlai lam khan si chiang khwa hi an chwa sanani Lunglei South bial chunga tol chung kaushan shang te chuan Good Friday ursun takin an manga tol chung chen khata roi ni na manani bial to pastor area secretary le bial chunga tir kaute lelpa janria sacrament le kasil rongbol na nein tol chung shanga anin sim derani March somthum pakhat Easter Sunday zan khan farm veng kaushana baptisma rongbol na bua sai ni in unau mi somten lelpa iswa mingi baptisma an changa rongbol na hi reverend lel mun kheta bial to pastor nya neyani April ningli ningani zingkara lunglei South bial PYD shwai tu te chuan puk puidaya hoarding tirkaute thilti bungsomni pani changsom paruk thu chuan na chutarin bial to pastorin ahawani lengpui bial hmunpui kaushana March somni pakwa Good Friday khan upa vanal thwama bial secretary te chungkwa chuan pathian choi moina annaya General Superintendent Reverend Pilarin omachu speaker ani a he choi moina program hi pathiani thleng revival man chunjom ni in bial to pastor Royal Than Moyan rongbol na anay chunzoma pathiani chahnu inkhom bana baptisma khurhon ni in mi pathumin lalpa iswa mingin baptisma anchanga pathiani zanhian kasil rongbol na bial to pastor le upatinan nei pokani lengpui bial dilzol kaushana March somni pakwa Good Friday khan dilzol huna rongbol tu roi mek tirkaulal siam thanga chuan mi pangalal pa iswa min baptisma achantir bokani lengpui bial tol chungtina Good Friday ursun tak manani bok Ole khati zong kha kaushan rongbol na chanchin kan clear le kan ngai thak thai te chu ni e